Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about a small penny stock which is currently trading exactly at 3 rupees and has a huge potential to grow in future. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the target levels as well as the stop loss and the entry point. Please make sure you watch this video completely so that by end of this video, you could be able to understand exactly what this company is doing and how strong is this company when it comes into the fundamental analysis and what is the logic behind between these target levels and the entry point and the stop loss. Currently, I see an ascending triangle pattern which is forming in this stock. This ascending triangle pattern is one of the bullish pattern in technical analysis. If any of the fellow investors don't know what exactly is the ascending triangle pattern which is considered as a bullish and an uptrend which is going to go in a new higher zones when the trend is going to be break. If you see the chart on my screen, the chart which you are seeing on my screen is a weekly chart. You could able to see it clearly, the ascending triangle pattern which is forming over here. The ascending triangle pattern is an extent of a bullish trend. This trend is nothing but a bullish trend, and currently this stock is exactly consolidating in between this channel, which you could able to see it clearly that this stock is exactly forming in between this channel and has a huge potential to grow in the future, which is going to be break like this. If you see these red and green candles, which are nothing but the buyers and the sellers are trying to be consolidate exactly in this channel after a heavy huge breakout. You see the chart, this stock has given a huge breakout which is almost like from 2.50 rupees until 8 rupees. Once after the heavy breakout, this stock is consolidating in between an ascending triangle pattern. This pattern which you are seeing on my screen is an ascending triangle pattern, and I see clearly that this pattern is going to be breaking very soon within week of time. If you see this trend line over here, this is the downtrend line which where you could able to see it clearly that the stock was continuously in a downtrend from almost like 8 rupees until 3 rupees. Currently you see here that this trend which is going to be break this line, which is a very strong support zone where more number of buyers are waiting exactly at this point. Once after the trend has given a huge breakout after this resistance line, this resistance line become a support line. Once after the support line is exactly here, then this stock is exactly consolidating with a heavy volume almost like more than 1 year, and currently this stock is exactly at a very point which is going to be break and go into new higher zones. As if you see the fundamentals of this company, I see that the fundamentals are really very good for this company. This is a small scale company which is established in 1984, and this is mainly in the business of manufacturing chemicals focused on additives and specialty polymer compounds. This stock and this company has a market capital of 284 crore, and the book value is 2.51 and the face value is 1. This company has never paid a dividend. This is a very small company in the chemical industry, which this company is giving a good quarterly results as well as an annual results. The current quarter profit for this company is 1.79 crore, and the current annual profit for this company is 10 crore, which is one of the best when you compare it from the past 4 years. And this company's sales growth has tremendously increased, which is almost like 61%, and this company's profit growth was almost like 600% double, which is almost like 601%, and this company's return on equity is 4%. And when you compare the shareholding pattern for this company, the promoter is having a hold of 7.85%, and the foreign institutional investors are having a hand of 15.18%, and the rest is with the public. The main reason that I'm doing this video today is because I see a very strong potential breakout which is going to be happen as per my technical analysis. If you see the chart clearly, this stock was continuously in a downtrend from almost like more than 2 years, and this stock is consolidating right now with exactly at a very strong support zone. If you see this line over here which I mentioned, this is a very strong support zone where more number of buyers are accumulated into this company. That is where the best entry point, which is going to be 2.80 rupees, and the other best entry point for this stock is going to be here in this line. If you see here that the stock has bounced many times times exactly at the support level. You see the stock here, the stock has continuously down here exactly at the support level, and then bounced back, and then came into the support level and then bounced back, and then again it came into the support level, and then again it bounced back to a higher zones, and then again it came into this exactly this support zone, which is currently into this very strong support zone right now, which has a huge potential to grow in the future as per my technical analysis. So I want all my fellow investors to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the right prices, which is 2.80 and 2.40, and book the profits on time, and the stop loss is going to be 1.50 rupees. I want you to keep the stock under your radar and travel as much as possible to gain more in profits from this company, because this stock is having a very good fundamental analysis, as well as the technicals of this company is giving a very favorable and ready for a huge breakout which is going to be happen. So I want you to keep these targets right now at this point of time, and once after we achieve these targets, I will do an analysis again and I will provide you the targets for the next level. But please make sure you book the profits on time when you see when the stock is going to be achieve at the target levels, and I am sure that this stock is going to be break in very soon, which is going to give us a huge returns in the future, which is more than 50 rupees in a very short span of time. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to please like these videos and comment, so that these videos will reach to more people who ever want to invest in a right breakout stocks, as well as the value investing stocks, so that they can understand the valid logic points where exactly that they need to enter and how long that they need to travel to gain more in profits from this company, and they can understand exactly the technical analysis of this stocks, and they could go ahead and implement the same technical analysis in a different stocks, and could be able to gain more in profits. So please consider subscribing my channel, like and comment, so that you will get a notification whenever I posted videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks. If you see the videos which I have done recently, I could able to see that there was a huge breakout which was happened heavily in all these stocks. If you compare the HCC as well as the NTPC, Lloyd's Group, and Ashok Leyland and the Delta Corp Limited, I told that the Delta Corp Limited is not the right time to buy at this point, and this stock was heavily fallen, and I told the Thyroquare is going to be breakout in soon, and I have given my analysis on HCC as well as an NTPC and the other companies which are which I have done a thorough videos, and these all stocks was given a huge tremendous breakouts and giving us a huge returns as well. So please consider subscribing my channel, so that you would able to get notification whenever I posted videos on breakout stocks and value investing stocks. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.